And as we start on the third Boolean challenge, it asks us to write a function that's called is greater than, which takes in two parameters, num1 and num2. If num2 is greater than or equal to num1, return true, otherwise return false. It's okay to assume that all inputs will be numerical in nature. So what I'm going to want to do, I have this is greater than. I'm told I have two parameters, num1 and num2. So this is just me like copying information down from the problem. And then I want to return, right? I want to return num2 being greater than or equal to num1, right? And I'm actually going to set this up for now, right? Let's just say, yeah, let's instantiate this. Let's assign this to a variable. And I'm actually going to take this function and we're going to go over to VS Code and the terminal and clear out what we have here previously. Paste this in here. And then let's actually invoke this. Let's print an is greater than. And let's have num10 and 20, right? So we're talking about if this should return true, right? Because this is greater than. Give that a quick save, execute this, and I can see that that is true. Let's see if we can trim out this bool function and just assign this comparison directly, right? And here, this works as well, right? And like I started with, right, we can actually just totally skip the middleman here and just go straight to the return statement, right? We can just return num2 greater than or equal to num1, right? Anytime we use the comparison operators, it's going to return a Boolean, right? So we can just do this. And again, if I run this, that gives me true, right? Just to test it the other way, right? Let's make number 1 30. And we can see that's false, as it should be. 20 is not greater than or equal to 30. So we go on over. I think we're pretty satisfied, but let's actually use our final definition here. And let's go ahead and run that test. And we can see that we do get the correct results. So next up we have the string data type, and then we have the none data type, and that is it for this unit. I'll see you over on the next video.